Good night to everyone except anyone who simps over Katie Price, anyone who's wearing a brown top, anyone whose birthday month is July. Good night to everyone except anyone who, when you click share and more, the second person has the letter P in their username, anyone who lives in Mexico, anyone who, when you follow me, the first person has the colour brown in their profile picture. Good night to everyone except anyone whose name is Harry, Ron or Hermione, Luna, Grace or Mark. And good night to everyone except at Foxy03000.